Hello there, I'm the Thirsty Bookworm. I'm here to show you another way to protect these cheap, inexpensive glass flask. This was just an off-the-cuff idea that I had and decided to run with it. What if you macrame'd your flask to up its resilience to damage? No, macrame is for old ladies or hippies. So a macrame'd flask would be for your grandma to safely protect her gin when she goes to Bible study, which is actually just an excuse to gossip and gamble away your inheritance.
Or maybe a hippie would store patchouli oil in it. I don't know. I'm not a hippie. I'm a super tough guy, so I need a super tough guy flask protector thing. Armor. Yeah, my flask needs armor. And what lets people know you're a hardcore operator that needs armored flask? That's right. Miles and miles of paracord. So I literally had no experience with this because I'm not actually a super tough operator and I wasn't a Boy Scout. So I did what anyone who wants to learn a new skill does, and that's go straight to YouTube.
Well, first of all, through
YouTube.
God, all things are possible, so jot that down.
I watched a few videos and thought it seemed pretty straightforward, so I just went with it. It was kind of straightforward, that is, if you don't care much about the appearance or the quality of the finished product, but once again, I would call this a solid proof of concept. Anyone who's willing to put in the time could certainly do a much better job than I did, but I don't really plan on carrying this thing anyways, so I'm not too worried about it. I don't even have night vision goggles or a sweet utility belt, so I probably don't deserve to. But if one was so inclined, they could attach it to a Molly vest or even a Picatinny rail with enough gumption. I'm happy with the finished product, but if I were to do it again, I wouldn't do it so late at night when I was tired and had to rush. I would do a slightly more secure knot to make the weave, and I would have used a cinch bead instead of that crummy knot. But it does what it's intended to do. It protects the glass and can easily come off for washing the blood and dirt off the outside. Thanks for watching and listening. I'm the Thirsty Bookworm, and this has been the Flask Talkin'. Let me know if you take this idea and run with it, or if you have any other cool Flask ideas. Thanks. Bye.